Hello, my name is Isabel McCrae, and I just passed my NCLEX on the third try using Nurse Meg. So, a little breakdown. Like I said, I just passed my NCLEX on the third try on June 19th, and I took it in February, and I also took it in April. I passed with my bachelor's on December 12th. So, I had my degree, I was ready to take my test, and we failed a first time and a second time. So, it's definitely defeated. Like, what is going on? And I knew that on my third try I had to do something differently. I knew I had to change something up. I knew that there's something that had to change. So what did I end up doing is the first few times I started using Archer, I used Your World, I watched the Marquet lectures, I watched Crusade lectures. I was like, okay, we're going to change something. We're going to do something differently. And I failed again. So I ultimately was like, okay, there's something I'm not doing right and there's something wrong, because I was like, I knew that I knew the content, and testing wasn't my greatest in school, but still, like, I was like, there's something wrong. Like, I need to change something. So a nurse at work was like, I actually got tutoring when she failed for the first time, and she waited like 7 months in between her tries. But I was like, okay, I don't want to do that. I want to like keep, because I knew if I stopped longer period, I would get out of the mindset. And especially the further we got away from school, I was like, I felt like I was losing content. So I was like, I knew I had to change something. So that's when I got a tutor. So I got a tutor. Um, Funny enough, my grandma actually sent me Nurse Meg on Instagram Reels, which is so funny. My 84-year-old grandmother found her, and that's how I found Nurse Meg, actually. So love that for me. And she sends me stuff all the time. So I was like, okay, let me just look into this. And I was like, wait, I love that, because I knew content wasn't my problem. I knew that, like, I knew the content from school. I knew that it was okay, what from the question, what are they trying to ask me? And clearly I wasn't understanding that, getting me to the right answer. So I knew that I needed someone to tell me, because yes, I was looking at questions all the time. I was looking at Archer, I was looking at Marquet, I was looking at their tools, and they were so helpful. Bootcamp, like all of those things, like I was using these tools and these quiz banks, but the thing was, I wasn't changing anything how I was looking at questions. And if that's your problem, I recommend Nurse Meg Girl, because she literally helped me pass my NCLEX. Like, come on. But her 7 steps, Nurse Meg, that she gave me, and to just show me that intervention means certain something. And when they give you assessment, it means something. When they give you a pneumonia in the question, it means something. I think what I was forgetting to realize, like when they gave you that in the question, I was looking into, oh, they gave me pneumonia. What are they trying to tell me? But I just need to look at it objectively. And I think that when I started to realize, okay, what they give me in the question, everything is important. I think that's when I began to realize, okay, that's what I need to change. And that's when it started to click for me that like what I'm pulling from the question, I started to pull things from the question that were correct. And then I started to realize, okay, now I know what the question's asking, and then I could go into the reading the answers. I think also what she taught me too is like, okay, figure out what the question is asking you, then move on, then read the answers, and then I'm like, oh, that's why they're asking me this. So I think ultimately, like, I just need someone to tell me that, and I think, I can't get to those conclusions on my own, so it really helps me, and it worked. So now, not to say that going into that test I felt any more confident. I will say after the test I felt just as bad. I felt like I failed again. I'd be like, maybe I did a little bit better, but honestly, like, I honestly felt the same. So don't be discouraged if you're like going into the test, you're like, I don't feel much more confident, like whatever. I'm like, it can work, and just take your time, do what you know, and like don't overthink it. So at the end of the day, I recommend her. She's amazing, and I just think that what I needed from her was like what I needed was from her. And so for anyone who's thinking that content's not their problem and they're not feeling confident, if anyone can pass this test, if I can pass this test, so can you, because bees did get degrees, girl, and I barely passed nursing school. So if you are struggling with that, to pass this stupid test, like, go to Nurse Meg. I promise you, you won't regret it.